as COVID-19 fosters the growth of non-contact services. The distribution sector is turning to self-service platforms to reduce the risk of infection while providing the same, if not greater, level of convenience. Let's take a look at this new business model that is rapidly seeping into our lives.
Supermarkets and department stores come to mind when we think of shopping. But it's time to keep a tab on self-checkout services equipped with on-tech technology. Fresh foods are stocked inside of vending machines. A customer enters, but there's no one to help her out. From selecting an item to paying and receiving it, every process is operated automatically. Another advantage is that you can immediately access all information about the products you wish to buy. All you have to do is scan the item with your smartphone.
무인 접촉 거래는 앞으로 새로운 기술들과 결합하면서 더 많은 비즈니스로 확산될 것으로 예측이 됩니다. 자율주행차라든가 무인 드론에 의한 비대면 접촉 거래도 활발해지지 않을까 생각합니다.
The untapped economy triggered by COVID-19 is applying the technologies of the fourth industrial revolution to put forward new business models. Although they are still relatively new, it won't be too long before automated services become the new standard. Post-COVID-19, it's time to prepare for a new way of life.
New normal, new challenges.